Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Fortnite Client-Win64-Shipping.exe error in Fortnite. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open a client that you use for playing Fortnite. In my case, it's Epic Games. Then you just need to go to library. Then you need to look for Fortnite, press the three dots, press manage, then press on open install location here. Then on this folder here, you need to go to Fortnite game, delete binaries, then go back, go to engine and delete binaries again, delete from your bin as well. And then what you need to do here is to go back here on the three dots on Fortnite, press manage, and then verify files. And after verification of files is completed, you can play the game and you should not be getting any errors. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.